So we are now under the white Kenworth, known as spare parts. So the other day, this truck was in Lafayette off I-65 and it blew one of the def doser lines. We went out there and CIT sold us the wrong hoses, so we just bypassed it for now to get them back on the road and make the delivery. So we are going to drain the coolant, replace both these lines that go down here on the def doser, and then we're also going to replace this elbow that's cracked under this heat shield. We have another one we're going to put on there, and then while we're under here, we're also going to change this air dryer cartridge and put air brake antifreeze in the air tanks because it is freaking cold out here. So I will slide back out from under this truck, get the coolant draining, get all my tools ready, and get started on this. We got the Cascadia coming in for an oil change before it heads off to New Hampshire, and then I have another Kenworth coming in for a lower radiator hose that's leaking, that's getting ready to go to New York. So busy night.